The British monarchy is staring down a thunderstorm of legal chaos, with Prince Harry, once the darling Duke of Sussex, at the eye of the storm. What began as a routine probe into press misconduct has spiraled into a high-stakes legal battle that could leave the royal legacy scorched. The once buttoned-up walls of the palace are trembling under the weight of explosive claims leveled by a senior judge, allegations so incendiary they've rattled both courtrooms and castle halls. Whispers of criminal charges and even jail time are swirling around the prince once seen as untouchable. This isn't just a stern slap on the wrist, it's a formal and scathing censure of Harry's courtroom conduct. The accusations, fabricated testimony, reckless use of royal privilege, and a brazen disregard for legal ethics. Legal scholars are stunned. The language used to describe Harry's actions is sharp, unprecedented, and cuts right through centuries of royal insulation. Never has a royal figure been so publicly and explicitly called out in this fashion. Initially limited in scope, the investigation has since exploded into a full-blown criminal inquiry. The spotlight is now laser-focused on Harry's courtroom behavior. According to insiders, prosecutors are zeroing in on a series of potential offenses, from failing to disclose key information to allegedly breaking confidentiality clauses and possibly obstructing justice. These aren't just legal missteps, they're serious breaches with the potential to result in real prison time. That a senior royal is even being considered for such charges marks a seismic shift in how Britain treats its blue bloods. It's a historic shakeup, one that could redefine the very relationship between the crown and the court. Enter Meghan Markle, Duchess of Sussex, whose role in this drama has become impossible to ignore. Far from a passive observer, she's described by palace aides and former insiders as a driving force behind Harry's pugnacious legal playbook. Meghan, ever defiant of the tabloid beast, is seen by many as the architect of Harry's combative legal posture. Some suggest her unrelenting stance against the British press has acted like fuel on the legal fire, escalating the conflict when diplomacy might have diffused it. The idea that a non-royal spouse could be shaping the monarchy's response to legal threats has stirred unease within elite legal and aristocratic circles. According to court records, Meghan's involvement was more than emotional support. She had eyes on confidential strategy docs, despite not being an official litigant. Ethics watchdogs are alarmed, calling this a troubling blurring of personal and legal lines. Behind closed doors, the whispers grow louder that Meghan urged Harry to stick to his guns, even when his own lawyers raised red flags. If true, such insistence may be compounding his legal peril. The prince who once wore the crown of a cheeky rebel has morphed into a rogue legal warrior, one whose actions may soon cast a permanent shadow over the House of Windsor. The downward spiral arguably began with the couple's 2020 royal exit, but it's accelerated into something darker. Now, as gavel meets gentry, Harry stands not just as a wayward son, but as a cautionary tale. The stakes, royal dignity, legal precedent, and the future of the monarchy itself.